drone enthusiasts may want to buckle up, because the rumor mill surrounding the DJI Avata 360 has reached a fever pitch. Across forums, leak pages, and especially Chinese social media platforms, chatter is intensifying around what could be DJI's most disruptive FPV-style drone yet. While none of these details are officially confirmed, the consistency and volume of leaks suggest that DJI may be preparing something far more ambitious than a simple Avata refresh. If the reports are accurate, the DJI Avata 360 could represent a major leap forward in immersive aerial filmmaking, combining cutting-edge imaging, creator-friendly controls, and surprisingly aggressive pricing in a single compact platform. One of the most attention-grabbing elements of these rumors is the suggested pricing strategy. Despite being described as a flagship-level drone in terms of features and technology, sources claim that the DJI Avata 360 could launch with a standalone price as low as $489. If true, this would place it far below what most people would expect for a drone with advanced 360-degree capture capabilities. Bundle options, which typically include goggles, controllers, and extra accessories, are rumored to start around $680, still significantly lower than comparable immersive drone setups on the market. This pricing alone has fueled speculation that DJI may be aiming to dramatically expand the FPV and immersive drone audience, targeting not just professionals but also beginners and casual creators. Beyond price, image quality is where the DJI Avata 360 is rumored to truly shine. According to multiple leaks originating from Chinese tech communities, the drone is expected to feature a dual 1-inch sensor system, a notable upgrade over the smaller sensors traditionally used in compact FPV drones. These sensors are said to work together to capture 8K panoramic video at 60 frames per second, enabling full spherical recording with exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low light performance. If DJI delivers on this claim, it would mark a significant milestone for 360-degree aerial video, offering creators unprecedented flexibility in post-production. The concept behind this imaging system aligns with the increasingly popular fly-first, frame-later workflow. Instead of worrying about camera angles mid-flight, pilots could focus entirely on movement, speed, and composition in three-dimensional space. Later, during editing, creators would be able to select traditional cinematic angles, wide immersive perspectives, or dynamic reframe shots from the same 8K spherical footage. This approach not only simplifies flight but also dramatically expands creative possibilities, particularly for solo creators who don't have the luxury of multiple takes or camera operators. Maintaining stable, reliable performance during long-range and high-speed flights is another area where the DJI Avata 360 is rumored to excel. Leaks suggest the drone will be equipped with DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, which is described as a flagship-level upgrade over previous FPV transmission technologies. This system is expected to deliver ultra-low latency, higher bitrate video feeds, and extended range, ensuring that pilots receive a clear, responsive live view even in complex environments. For FPV and immersive flying, where split-second reactions matter, such a transmission upgrade could significantly enhance both safety and confidence. Speaking of safety, this is another category where the DJI Avata 360 appears to set itself apart. Traditionally, FPV drones have had a steep learning curve, often intimidating newcomers due to their speed and lack of protective systems. However, reports indicate that DJI may be pushing hard to make the Avata 360 far more beginner-friendly than typical FPV platforms. One of the most notable rumored features is omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing the drone to detect hazards from all directions. This would be a major step forward for FPV-style drones, which have historically relied almost entirely on pilot skill for collision avoidance. In addition to obstacle sensing, the DJI Avata 360 is said to feature integrated propeller guards, further reinforcing its safety-first design. These guards would help protect both the drone and its surroundings during indoor flights or close proximity maneuvers, making the aircraft suitable for tight spaces, urban environments, and creative indoor shots. Combined with intelligent flight assistance systems, this design suggests DJI is aiming to bridge the gap between traditional consumer drones and FPV platforms, offering the excitement of immersive flight without the usual risk. Control options are another area where flexibility seems to be a key focus. According to the leaks, pilots may have two distinct ways to fly the DJI Avata 360. The first is a standard remote controller, offering precision, familiarity, and full manual control for experienced users. The second option is DJI's motion controller, an intuitive device that allows pilots to steer the drone using natural hand movements. This control method has already proven popular with previous Avata models, especially among beginners and casual users, and its inclusion here would further lower the barrier to entry. This dual control approach reflects DJI's broader strategy of inclusivity. By allowing both traditional and motion-based flying, the DJI Avata 360 could appeal to a wide spectrum of users, from first-time drone owners to seasoned FPV pilots. Beginners could start with assisted modes and motion controls, gradually building confidence, while advanced users could push the drone to its limits using manual controls and custom settings. This layered learning curve has long been one of DJI's strengths, and its rumored presence here suggests a continuation of that philosophy. Perhaps one of the most intriguing rumored features is the dual-lens shooting mode, which reportedly allows users to switch between immersive 360-degree capture and more traditional cinematic perspectives. This could mean that the DJI Avata 360 isn't limited to spherical video alone but can also function like a conventional drone camera when needed. For creators, this versatility would be incredibly valuable, enabling a single drone to handle multiple shooting styles without requiring additional equipment. Such a feature would position the DJI Avata 360 as more than just a niche 360-degree drone. Instead, it could serve as an all-in-one creative platform, capable of producing immersive VR content, dynamic social media clips, cinematic travel footage, and even professional-grade aerial shots. This adaptability could make it especially attractive to content creators who want maximum creative output from a single investment. Another point frequently mentioned in rumors is the drone's overall design philosophy. Described as a refined cinewhoop-style platform, the DJI Avata 360 is expected to balance agility with stability. Cinewhoop drones are known for their smooth motion, controlled speed, and ability to fly safely around people and objects. If DJI successfully combines this flight behavior with advanced stabilization and powerful sensors, the result could be a drone that feels both exciting and approachable. Battery life and thermal performance have not been detailed extensively in leaks, but speculation suggests that DJI may have optimized efficiency to support longer, more consistent flights, even when recording high-resolution 8K video. Managing heat and power consumption will be critical for maintaining sustained performance, and DJI's track record in engineering gives many observers confidence that these challenges are being addressed behind the scenes. Of course, it's important to remember that all of this information remains speculative until DJI makes an official announcement. Features, pricing, and specifications could change before launch, or some rumors may turn out to be exaggerated. Still, the sheer volume and consistency of these reports suggest that something significant is on the horizon. For drone fans, filmmakers, and content creators alike, the DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting rumored releases in recent years, a drone that could make immersive flight more accessible, more creative, and more powerful than ever before.